If the government can come with a solution to this, then we need not have a special session.
If the matter cannot be resolved, the special session, then we have no other choice but to go to the public.
Katukan isngi hadian busimbun Menteri Rambak Jela ba Preston Tensong la Kyntait banai ki jingdawa ban bu derbar kerpang banita Halor roster system ya kabaula terwa dag jingyelang jong baru ki sengsan pertai la ni ka all party meeting ki babun ki sengsan pertai hapo Jela ki lawan ra ila ka jong jing sengau Halor ni jing keren kabak jing sengau nakaliang seng kongres ka ya ringkat ba Sorkar hakaba ka Ailad ik Sorkar ban ra Halor ni kamat hakoi ba kaliang seng voice of people party kalaong ki jing keren juba Preston ki don jing duna ka jing peniaj hok Unom ikhmat na melim konstituensi ba Roni V Lingdo usngo bakadei ban I hakajing suthu jok Sorkar Jela ban rai Halor kajing khati kisnem man pentri kami kamat ke patnem ba menta kata reservation roster hapo ko Jela.
But if you look at the court ruling, was very clear. Now it's up to the legislature and the executive to take a call on this. So now, if it was only confined to the legislative, then the demand for a special session is valid. But then now the court says that the executive. Now the executive is the government. Now the deputy chief minister, President Tensong, has said that we are going to have a cabinet meeting soon to decide on this issue. So let us leave it to the government first. The government can come with a solution to this. Then we need not have a special session. Then if the cabinet doesn't make a decision, then we will see.
Unong ay kitin jo kaseng VPP babas ke merbo long balada la ban penbet ya kani kamat lingba ka jing keren mak Sorkar tikan long babae Henry lada kamla ban penbet.
Then we have no other choice but to go to the public. And as we have given a statement before, that we will be conducting public meetings in different parts of the state to enlighten the people on the issue and to carry support from the public on this very important matter.
Kaying bishar Meghalaya High Court hakalai tere uyayong kala kelini ginong thawaan ban rai Halor kani jing khati kisnem ba banla an pentri kami roster system hapo ka Jela kani karai kawan shisnem hadian kaying bishar kala dawa Sorkar Jela ban pentri kam no ek roster system nadu ka por plus dang pentri kam ek reservation policy kajing menteri kami roster system ban pension kat kum reservation policy jo ka Jela kalawan ra shibun kijing bam suthu ba kalawan ra kijing sha kan thaw namar katu kani kiseng san perthai ba kin hon seng bhalang kila persha kani kijing penki dak baong pagani kalawan ra kijing bam sutanat jong babun Halor jing petrungkam jong ka bamenta bat ka balasai